Hello YouTube, today we are going to create distress text effect in Photoshop. So for that you can write whatever text you want and then go to the layer panel, select both of the layers and left click, convert to the smart object, then go to the filter, blur gallery, field blur, and just with these points you can like adjust the amount of the blur. I will go with 38. Then I will add another point and just decrease the blur, like 6. Same I will do this here and just adjust the positioning like this, hit OK and go to the filter again, and this time you can go to the filter gallery, add graphic pen, adjust the stroke length like 10, 12, 13 might be good. With this icon you can add another effect, and this time we will add tone edges, and then image balance 25, smoothness we will increase that or just decrease that like 8%. Okay, 8 is good, and we will increase the contrast or just decrease it, adjust the smoothness again, and okay, hit the OK button. We are going to add some noise here, so go to the filter, noise, add noise, and set the amount to the 29, or you can increase it or decrease it as you like. I will keep 29, hit OK, and here we go, your distress text effect is ready. You can add the textures for the better look. I have downloaded this texture from the texturelab.com. Just add this and set the blending mode to the linear burn is good. And here we go, your distress text effect is ready. Hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, hit that like button also. Bye bye.